Alpha Omega Family Adventures. Go! We're swimming with manatees.
Swimming with the manatees. Are we ready?
Yeah! Yes! I am ready.
Size with some wetsuits, all right? What do you guys think? Good to go? You ready, buddy? All right.
I'm ready.
Heck yeah. A short little movie and answer any questions for you, all right, guys?
Welcome to the Crystal River National Wildlife Refuge and the Kings Bay Manatee Refuge. You are among the thousands of yearly visitors privileged to enter our natural springs, home of the Florida manatee. Your awareness of our rules and recommendations is essential to the protection of manatees and their ecosystem. It is your responsibility to learn and understand these rules prior to recreating in the refuge.
So I can take it off the button?
Don't put it on. Just hold it for right now. Then we'll go in the changing rooms to change.
Right, man. Turn around for me. Let me hold it on your back. Some folks in there as well. I got it, though.
Good. Who needs a suit?
Here we go.
I'm gonna put this against
Hold
your
this
back.
up to your back,
Is
buddy.
that a small?
All right. See this logo? That's going to go on your chest, okay? Zipper's going to go on your back, buddy.
It's an S.
There you go.
It's an adult.
For you.
Are we excited?
Yes.
Yeah, Aiden?
Jenny's right now. Is that 3X?
How y'all doing? Thank you.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Good. How are you doing? Good. So this is Lindsay, your in-water guide. I'll be Mike. I'll be driving the boat today. You guys ever done this before?
Nope. You see the tail? I want you to go out to the side, like a full body length and all the way around to the face. The reason being they're so sensitive and they have no neck, so they feel you back there, but they can't look around and see you, so it'll drive them forward, and that really bothers them. So you want to try to stay away from the tail. If you're very close to the tail, though, you should just freeze and float, because it's the vibrations that are bothering them.
Put your head in the water.
You just want to keep your lips really tight around the mouth, because that's what keeps water from getting in, but you don't need to bite down. Did I see that? Touched it on accident. Did we see a lot of manatees?
Yes!
No? Did we get to touch any of them?
Yes!
You didn't get to because you didn't go in the water.
Well, he did like right.
Well, not at the beginning though. Was that cool?
Yes! Yes!
Did the manatees scare us when they came too close to us?
Kinda. Yes, a lot. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Follow us